mathematics, we have a question here, and this question it's from log, but a YA question. Let me show you how to simplify this one. Don't mind my baby wants to solve maths for you also. Alright, so this one is y minus 1 in bracket log base 10, then this is 2 raised to the power of 2 minus y, equals to y log base 10, then this will give us 2 raised to the power of 4. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 into 4 places is 16. So by implication, according to the law of log, if you have log base 10, you have a, you have b, it can be written as b log base 10, then a. So we apply that one here by bringing this power. So it will be 2 in bracket y minus 1, and then we have log base 10, 2, and then this is also what? 4y log base 10, and then this will go with this one. You are left with 2, this time this 2y minus 2 times this is 2, and then this will give us the same thing as 4y. So from this one, when we have this, we'll now do collect like terms. So we'll collect like terms here. We'll have this to be minus 2y equals to 4y minus 2y. Sorry, please. Sorry. It will be minus 2 equals to 4. I'm taking this to that side. So this will be minus 2 equals to, this will be 2y. By the time we divide both sides here, we have minus 2 divided by 2 equals to 2y divided by 2. So this kick out this one, therefore our y will be equivalent to minus 1. So our y is minus 1 in this case. If you follow it this way, this is the simplest way for you to be able to express questions like this. I believe it is fun. See you in the next question.